In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a delivery note in Zoho Books. Delivery notes are an essential part of managing orders in any business. They provide your customers with detailed information about the items being delivered, helping ensure accuracy and transparency throughout the shipping process. Let's dive in and learn how to do this step by step. First, we'll need to navigate to Zoho Books. Open your browser and log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're on your dashboard, your first task is to locate the settings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if needed. You'll find the Settings option, typically labeled with a gear icon, allowing you access to all the configuration options. Once in Settings, the next step is to click on the Profile option. This section is key to managing your business's profile and customizing how information is represented in your documents. It's worth noting that changes here affect other documents in Zoho Books, not just delivery notes. Now, move on to clicking on the Sales section. This area houses all settings pertinent to your sales transactions. Here you can manage invoices, estimates, and, importantly, delivery notes. The sales section is fundamental for any business operating with Zoho Books, as it's the operational heart for all things related to sales. Next, locate and click on Delivery Notes. This will open the settings specifically for managing how delivery notes are configured and tailored to your business needs. You'll notice several options available here, designed to give you control over what information is included and how it is displayed. Focusing on delivery notes, you can customize how they appear and what details they capture. This might include adding specific fields that are relevant to your business, such as order numbers, customer details, or any additional notes that might benefit your client. Customizing your delivery notes can significantly enhance the clarity and professionalism of your communications with clients. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, it's time to save your changes. Double-check all details to ensure everything is correct and meets your business requirements. Finding the Save button is crucial, as all your configurations won't take effect until you confirm by clicking Save. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully customized and saved your delivery note settings in Zoho Books. This process sets a strong foundation for efficiently managing your order documentation and fortifies the trust between you and your clients by ensuring accurate information is always communicated. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore additional resources or reach out for support.